G'day. This is just a quick explanation video of how to set up our new tourer tent. We've modified our tourer tents now so that the square frame in the head of the tent folds in half. And this makes the tent a lot easier to cart around. It makes it more of a rectangular tent than a big square tent to carry around, which is a big advantage. So just a couple of small tricks. So obviously peg out your corners first, as with any tourer tent. But then you can see here, you've just got the folding mechanism. So it's just a matter of pushing that up with the center pole. Put your center pole in the middle and push up. We're inside the tent now. You can see that ratchet mechanism. It's covered by a bit of a sock just to protect the canvas. But it is a ratchet, so it'll fully open or fully close, and it's got positions in between. If you partly open it and don't fully open it, you may just have to sandwich it back up and then open it back out, because the ratchet will only go one way unless it's fully extended. So just be mindful of that. If you've bought the optional side pole kit, you put the center pole that comes with the tent in first. Just put in roughly and probably set it to the back a little bit, so it just holds the tent in position, because there's a bit of a gap in this pocket set up here that we need to push the center pole through. So the center pole kit's optional, so you may not have it, but this is just a bit of an instruction video if you have it or if you're thinking about getting it. So just extend one side a little bit just to roughly get the top in position, and then the other side. And then we're just got to maneuver this this suction cup through the pocket. And then once you get everything in position, there are extra pads on the floor to protect the floor. Once you've got everything in position, you can tension it up. And then just remove the center pole. And now you've got a nice big open floor plan for your bedding. So definitely recommend the side pole kit. It's a little bit more setup, but really frees up the floor space when you can get rid of this center pole. So thanks. If you've got any questions, just give Mandy a call.